This video is a comprehensive review of the Tecurs KB510 keyboard. And here's what we're going to cover. So we start by unboxing the keyboard, and while this footage is running, I tell you more about the specifications of the keyboard, the compatible systems, a keyboard overview, the 3 different connection modes it provides, the different functions it has. Then we go through all the color modes and all the adjustments you can make with the color on this keyboard. Then I show you some of my typing experience clips where you can really dive deep in the sound of the keyboard. It's really exceptional for the price point in my opinion. And after that I'm just gonna conclude the video with my personal review and recommendation if you should buy the keyboard or not. But it's pretty good. So let's start in the video. Alright, so let's start with the specifications while the unboxing footage is running. The working voltage is 3.7 to 5 volts. And the working current is 40 to 300 milliampere. You have 86 keys on the keyboard and it weighs around 700 grams, so it's pretty light. The keyboard dimensions are 310 x 100 x 39 millimeters, and the power is under 2 watts. So now what is included when you order this Tecurs keyboard? Well, of course you get the keyboard itself, one USB receiver, one user manual, one USB-C cable to connect it directly with your computer, and one key puller if you want to switch the keycaps. And with which systems is the keyboard compatible? So it's compatible with systems like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 and so on. Then with macOS 11.3 or above, and with Linux. So the keyboard itself has a charging port where you plug in the USB-C cable, a mode switch button where you can switch between the 3 modes, Bluetooth, USB and wireless, as well as these foldable foot pads to adjust the angle of the keyboard itself. As I already mentioned, the keyboard has 3 well-working connection modes. So first of all you have the wired mode, where you connect the USB-C cable to your PC and the other end in the charging port of your keyboard, and that's it. And it works the best in my opinion, because you have direct response via the cable to the computer. And then you have the 2 wireless modes, either Bluetooth, where you don't need any plugin, or the 2.4G mode as it is called, where you plug in the USB-C receiver into the USB port of your device and wait a few seconds, and then you're ready to use a wireless version of the Tecurs KB510 keyboard. You have a lot of functions. Basically you need the FN button, and then you have all of the functions a normal 100% size keyboard also has. Then we have a look at color modes. What makes the Tecurs KB510 really special is the many color modes it comes with. There are 15 different backlight patterns, which you can each adjust with brightness and the light mode speed. So you have a lot of variations for this simple keyboard. So should you get this keyboard? In my opinion, definitely. It's been one of the best purchases I've made this entire year, and I'm sure I will get a lot of life out of it. Because think about it, you spend a lot of time working in front of your PC. Then why not invest a couple of bucks in a really nice high quality working keyboard? This is the most affordable keyboard I've ever bought. But at the same time, it has a lot of functions and a lot of color modes. And the design is pretty minimalistic and really sleek. So I'm a big fan of the Tecurs KB510. If you want to purchase it, I've got a link down below in the description, an Amazon affiliate link. So if you buy it through this link, I'll get a little commission as a kickback. Alright, I hope I could clarify some of your thoughts or questions you might have had on this keyboard. Alright, so if you now want to see how I unboxed and set up this microphone setup you can see right here, I've got you 2 videos linked above here where you can watch either of them. Give it a click and I see you over there.